Hey guys, Nick Mallory from Market Supply Company. They have for you a 2023 BOBCAT S76 R Series loader. Loader has 242 hours. I have two of these for sale, identical machines. They are open station machines. They are power attach, 2-speed, standard controls with the LCD dash, LED light group. These units have full warranty until April of 25, and then they have powertrain warranty. I think it's in 28, April 28. I have that all in the ad. Machines are 110% original. You're in the mid-60s to put a machine like this in its place. This machine here is a heck of a savings. All original machine, 100% service, ready to go to work. We'll make a deal on the pair of them if somebody's interested. OEM 12-inch, 16.5 BOBCAT heavy-duty tires. Comes with a brand new CID Xtreme 74-inch heavy-duty long bottom bucket. I don't cheap out on buckets. We're going to walk you around this machine, show you all about it. Back door is absolutely perfect. It's not scuffed up, skin up. There's one little mark on it right there, one scratch. But it opens and shuts just like it should. 242 hours. We've serviced it. All the filters and oils are changed. This is out of a BOBCAT lease program. Machines are extremely clean, 100% ready to go to work. I don't sell the junk. It's not my thing. There's enough guys out there that do that. I'm just not in that business. So MSC on that filter stands for Market Supply Company. We bought a complete and full BOBCAT filter kit, changed everything. Again, the machine is under full warranty, okay? We're going to have that transferred to the new owner. One scuff on this back body panel right there, one scratch. Other than that, I mean, the white paint is absolutely gorgeous. Hydraulic oil level is full. 23.3 GPM standard flow in these units. No, this isn't an auction tag. This is a CID tag from our new inventory. Brand new bucket just put on. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach with power attach. Standard 1/2-inch flat face couplers, 23 GPM with 3/8 Xtreme. LED light package. These have horns in them. Suspension vinyl seat. Again, standard controls machine. Inside. If you need just a big lift basic loader and you don't need 1,000 options, 242 hours, a late model, low hour machine that if you truthfully bought this, will last a guy a long time. There's all of your vitals. I'm going to take you one step further here. Machine is operating at peak performance. Service. Let me get back a screen. Next service due, 507 hours. New codes, we have no codes. You're going to have your headlight buttons, your throttle. You're going to have your home selection knob, power bob attach up and down. This is a 2-speed machine. We'll show you that here. 2-speed machine. Guys, there it is. 2,900 pound to lift. These machines are priced very, very, very competitive for what some guys are asking for some with 500 and 600 hours. So, I'm gonna fire this thing up, I'm gonna run it around, show you what it's supposed to do. There we go. Gladly work with you and help you out. If anybody needs trucking, great quote, you need to come look at it yourself. Person come do that. I have nothing to hide. We will transfer that, have that warranty transferred to the new owner. 100% serviced, 100% ready to go to work. Tires on this unit are going to be about 75%, all full match. Very, very nice machine. I truthfully like new machine. Guys, right here at Mark Supply, I have two nice ones for sale. Today is November the 5th. So, real quick, everybody get your butt out and go vote, do your civic duty to hopefully make sure we're heading in the right direction. I'm sure you guys see where we're going to do that. You know where I stand, and that's all said. Get out, do your thing, vote. We got 2 videos coming out today. So, if you guys have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.